हेलो गाइस, होप यू हैड अ वेरी ग्रीन ट्रेडिंग डे टुडे। देखते हैं मार्केट्स में क्या हुआ, कल मार्केट्स में क्या हो सकता है। अगर आप ऑर्डर फ्लो देखोगे तो यहाँ पे क्लियरली दिख रहा था कि मार्केट्स काफी ग्रीन के आसपास क्लोज हुए हैं। एंड we had a good amount of buying happened into the Nifty and Bank Nifty today. If you see Nifty, it is overall around 8,000 contracts. If you see Bank Nifty, it is around 14,000 contracts, guys, at the end of the day. So definitely, we have a good amount of buying happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's discuss what happened today. Let's start with Bank Nifty because it had a weird momentum in between. But let's start. So, if you see, yesterday we discussed Nifty, Bank Nifty is at a support, single print support, day exact support. And yesterday we discussed that Bank Nifty had made a weak area. And if you see the today, the low exactly of the Bank Nifty is a weak area low. And that in after that, Bank Nifty showed a good momentum, good amount of buying. Then suddenly there is a selling. I think this is the weird move. Very less it happens. Ideally was a day supposed to be directly going up, but yeah, there is a weird momentum here. I think I'm not sure why it happened, but as soon as this high is crossed, we saw a big short covering into the Bank Nifty. And if you see from a order point of view as well, since morning we were having negative contracts 611,208. Then we had a buy which went to around 6,000 contracts. Then the selling came in, and then again in the J session we saw 3,000 contracts, and then 16,000 contracts directly in the K session. That is, that happened. And what happened exactly when this high, is crossed? We saw a short covering into the markets. I think those who have taken the trades here might have got a faster momentum, and this is the levels where the short covering works normally. And this is how markets you can make a money. So you need to know when the short covering will happen at what levels. That is the very important. And I think for Nifty you can understand our sentiments because yesterday only we discussed when the short covering can happen, or we are discussing from a long time. So now clear, clear, clear. This is a single print that Bank Nifty has made. High is 44,967, low is 44,890. This is the level, and then we have a upper resistance of a single print, which is around 45 to 58 to 45,413. And then we have a smaller resistance around this, and then we have a one more single print on the upside. So guys, when we were coming at a lower end, I told you guys that okay guys, markets cleared all the single prints on the below, and now high chances that markets will clear the single prints above. I think these are the days. I already marked them: 16th August, 18th August. I was telling you guys that we might get bullish into this. And I think similarly we the markets went bullish, and we again went to the 45,000. Definitely now you see there are multiple single prints on the high side. If this single print is broken, definitely we will go step by step, and maybe we will become going to the uh, good number, maybe your all-time high soon. Let's see. Anyways, that's the Nifty, Bank Nifty for you. Nifty for you, Nifty also opened. It came down. It came down till to test this weak area. Not completely tested, maybe, but near to the weak area. Nifty also bounced back. And if you remember, if you have seen our videos, I was saying from a long time that the area this is like 17,720 to 17,960. This area, 17,690. This 2025 points area is very important for market. Once this is broken, we will see a short covering. And today, if you see, first of all, when market went up, exactly resisted 19,690. Then we saw some sideways momentum. Then market went up, then went to the next upper end of the blue line that we have, created, which is around 19,712, 720 के आसपास. And then in the end, you saw this big candle where we saw a short covering of around 70, 80 points. And that's what, guys, I told you. When the market will go above this level, we will see a short covering into the markets. So now you have seen the short covering, and such a short covering on an expiry day, you can make wonders into the markets. I think the calls, 30, 40 rupees calls, they went to 150, 160 rupees. I can tell you the trade, that we were into 19,600 calls was at 95 rupees at this time when it was just trying to break this 85 to 95 range. In the next candle, it went to 165 because we know where the short covering comes from. Okay, that is very important levels, right, guys? And when you know such numbers, then you can bump up your quantity for the trades, right? And exactly in the morning also, the same resistance worked. So this is Nifty for you guys. I hope you have enjoyed and if you have followed us. So you know what we see now. Again, single print makes so strong statement by bulls into the markets. So now what is the next resistance? I think this was a resistance also we have drawn in and today it took here. Then the next resistance now in the Nifty is 19188, 1818 and then we will have 198 uh, 69 okay 19 870 to 19850 and then once this level is crossed then we are going to all-time high. That's clear and very evident on the charts right now. Looking at the buying, looking at the patterns made, we are looking good. अभी हम काफी अच्छे लग रहे हैं. अगर आप ऑर्डर फ्लो की बात करोगे तो इट वाज वेरी क्लियर. अगर आप देखोगे तो काफी ऑर्डर्स बाई साइड पे 865 एंड गाइस अभी और एक कंसेप्ट मैं आपको बताता हूँ मे बी नॉट एबल टू टीच यू बट आई थिंक देयर आर फ्यू market profile traders who follow me. So whenever you see such a view and then this view in the first candle, if one side is breaked out on this, you see a big momentum is coming in. I think what is this? This is the highest, things that at that point of a point, at that pivotal point, maximum contracts for that session got traded on the both on the bank on a sell and buy side, maximum volumes were seen, and that's why you see अगर आप देखोगे तो बाकी इसमें ऐसा ये स्क्वायर नहीं रहता है इट इज जस्ट नॉर्मल नंबर्स हियर यू सी द स्क्वायर्स एंड उसका कुछ एक सिग्निफिकेंस है. सो गाइज छोटे छोटे ट्रिक्स है जहाँ पे तुम काफी अच्छा पैसा बना सकते हो विथ कॉन्फिडेंस. Anyways, I'm good. We are good. Nifty, Bank Nifty. So now look at the supports 19701, 19712. Then we have a next support around 19723 से लेके 19756. These are the two supports, single print supports we have. And definitely now the next supports that we will have for the markets would be around if this is broken, then we will look at a next support, which is around this level. So you need to wait and watch this level. I can just tell you with the level 19643 to 19646. And with that also, you see there is a big white line created here. So this can act as a support. If there is a gap up, markets coming down from here, we can see a bounce back. Are usual things. Okay. And I think I'll show you Bank Nifty also. Similar pattern. We see a white line with a big वॉल्यूम ट्रिगर इन इट. एंड गाइज अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि यार ये ऐसा कैसे कैसे, तो अगर आप देखोगे तो ये कैंडल में जब 3000 से 16000 के आसपास हम पहुंचे थे उसी टाइम पे बीच बीच में वी सॉ बिग सेलर्स एंड वो सेलर्स मार्केट्स को ऊपर ही लेके जा रहे थे. तो एग्जांपल मैं बताता हूँ आपको. अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे 1100 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स बाय, देन 1500 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स बाय, देन 1600 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स बाय. तो क्लियर 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 दिखा था कि बाइंग बढ़ रहा है, बाइंग प्रेशर इज हैपनिंग. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको ट्रिक बताया था, अगर आपको ये ट्रिक यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है 138 162, ये पूरे सेशन का ये पिवोटल पॉइंट था. यहाँ से ही देखो इसी के आसपास से ही मार्केट ऊपर की तरफ गया. सो दिस पॉइंट्स मेनी टाइम्स वर्क इनटू द मार्केट्स. बस उसको समझना जरूरी है, इंपॉर्टेंट है, अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि व्हाई दे आर देयर. बट छोटे छोटे नगेट्स है. बट येस आई थिंक गाइस क्लियर क्लियर शॉर्ट कवरिंग इनटू द मार्केट्स डेफिनेटली. एंड वी आर लुकिंग बुलिश बिकॉज आज जो मोमेंटम दिया है निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी ने, इट्स अ वेरी गुड मोमेंटम विद द सिंगल प्रिंट्स, with the volumes. What else you need? We will just look at it. Fin Nifty, those who trade, I think, guys, I told you this was a level, right? If you remember, if you've seen my video, this was a level we discussed 19964 से लेके 19961, राइट. 3-4 पॉइंट का सिंगल प्रिंट आज ओपन होने के बाद एग्जैक्टली अगर आप देखोगे तो उसी लेवल के आसपास पहला रेजिस्टेंस लिया था, उसके बाद एक शार्प सेलिंग देखने को मिला. तो सिंगल प्रिंट कैसे काम करता है गाइज, यू माइट हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इट. एग्जैक्टली उसी टाइम पॉइंट पे रेजिस्टेंस लिया था जो हमने अपने वीडियोस में डिस्कस किया था. एंड जैसे ही वो लेवल ब्रेक हुआ, यू कैन सी द शॉर्ट कवरिंग दैट हैपेंड इनटू फिन निफ्टी 19962 से लेके डायरेक्टली 2066. So 100 पॉइंट का शॉर्ट कवरिंग गाइज. सो दिस इज द नॉलेज एंड दिस इज द वे यू शुड ट्रेड. हर 5 रुपए के लिए 10 रुपए के लिए मार्केट में ट्रेड नहीं करना है. जहाँ पे हमें लेवल्स पता है, लेवल्स वी नो कि ये लेवल्स काफी दिनों से रेजिस्ट कर रहा है, तो आज ब्रेक करेगा तो यहाँ पे शॉर्ट कवरिंग आएगा। तो ये लेवल्स अगर आपको पता है तो वहां पे आप क्वांटिटी से ट्रेड करो, दो दो लॉट लेके ट्रेड मत करना। एंड दिन भर पूरा क्वांटिटी के साथ ट्रेड मत करो, लुक एट स्पेसिफिक लेवल्स दैट यू कैन सी। और अगर आप ये भी देखोगे तो कल हमने डिस्कस किया था, फिन निफ्टी ने भी वीक एरिया बनाया था। अगर आप देखोगे आज भी फिन निफ्टी ने एग्जैक्टली वीक एरिया क्लियर किया और उसके बाद एक मोमेंटम लिया। तो निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी, एवरीबडी डूइंग गुड। निफ्टी में स्टिल वीक एरियाज आर येट टू बी क्लियर्ड। आई टेल यू अगेन, दिस वीक एरिया इज क्लियर्ड, but I think this is kept for a special moment. Maybe we see some short, afterwards. But markets looking kind of a big bullish to me. मिड कैप इंडेक्स आज साइडवेज था, कुछ मोमेंटम नहीं था क्योंकि आज मैक्सिमम मोमेंटम लास्ट कैप में देखने को मिला। So mid cap was not doing very good. HDFC Bank again, guys. Yesterday we discussed weak area into HDFC Bank. Today exact low at a weak area, and we got a sharp movement into HDFC Bank. Again and again, the concepts are proving. Again and again, knowledge is prevailing into the markets. Yeah. Again, there is a single print in HDFC Bank, perfect view 1609 to 16112, and we see some white lines here which are acting with, which will act as a good support. Again, if you see, good buying into HDFC Bank from 394 contracts directly 2600 contracts. Again, closing with 3600 contracts, good buying into the bank. So now everybody, kind of trying to make up. Axis Bank came to single print, from the single print exactly bounced back. If you see the low exactly at a single print, yesterday we were discussing this was a single print, today gap down at a single print and recovered, and exactly waited at the earlier single print, guys. So ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं बताने के लिए, you guys are watching my videos, you know what is single print, how it works. Maybe I'll come up with a video what is single print, how it works. But yeah, I think ICICI Bank also tried to do something but did not able to succeed. But I think overall SBI, good sharp momentum waiting for a single print, but in SBI there is no single print formed. But 853.35 is the area, or 853 is the area where we see a condition of a white lines. कोटक बैंक अगेन गुड मोमेंटम। आई थिंक एवरीथिंग नाउ, अभी आप देखोगे तो हर चीज है। इंडसइंड बैंक तो हमने वीकली एनालिसिस में बता दिया था और पहले बता दिया था कि ये स्टार ऑफ द मंथ हो सकता है, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज गोना बी वर्किंग आउट। सो पीएसयूज में आज मोमेंटम देखने को मिला। पीएसयूज वी आर ट्रैकिंग फॉर दिस मंथ, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट पीएसयू इज डूइंग गुड। सो यस, आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज डूइंग गुड। आईसीआईसीआई रिलायंस में भी कुछ वॉल्यूम दिख रहा है, व्हाइट लाइंस है, कल गैप अप ओपन होता है तो व्हाइट लाइंस के आसपास आके यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेने के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा है। लेवल्स में बता देता हूँ, 2441 से लेके 2445 के आसपास। बजाज फिनांस, नॉट श्योर, कल का ट्रेड, कल का ये दिख नहीं रहा है, ओके 6 का दिख नहीं रहा है, बट देयर वाज अ सिंगल प्रिंट मेड, आज सिंगल प्रिंट से लोअर तरफ के लिए आ गया है। ठीक है, तो गाइज दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ। आई थिंक आई होप यू हैड अ गुड ट्रेडिंग डे एंड गुड ट्रेडिंग वीक टुमारो। Yeah, we got a good short covering today, and I think tomorrow is a kind of a rest day for us. We will not be very active tomorrow, but we will see, wait and watch. TCS again holding the single print, आज फिर से single print के आसपास आके फिर से bounce back देखने को मिला। Infosys is not doing good, it's just a sideways। बाकी मारुति वगैरह सब स्टॉक्स थोड़े से साइडवेज देखने को मिले थे। आज का स्टार था पीएफसी आरईसी फ्रॉम अ मिड कैप पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यू। Just I'll show you a glimpse of it. I think what a momentum, guys! What a momentum into REC now with a single print. So definitely looking good for to me. I think it's all-time highs nearby. So if it crosses 248, maybe there is some short covering happening into this. Same for PFC. In the initial time only it cleared the single print, and then what a day for PFC as well. So I think PFC and REC you can look at. Canara Bank that we are looking at holding the single print again, bounce back from the single print, guys. We discussed, we are discussing from a long time now about holding the single prints. AB Capital resisting this single print now. So just for your information, if 190 in the futures crossed, we might see a short covering into the AB Capital. Okay, guys. So I think good day. Have a good time. As I always say, be passionate about the markets, guys. Learn about it. They will pay you dividends in the longer run. जस्ट एक बार क्विकली ये देख लेते हैं। अगर आप देखोगे तो एक गुड अच्छा फॉलो थ्रू एग्जैक्टली RSI 60 के आसपास, ये हमने डिस्कशन किया था, RSI 60 के आसपास टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद एक अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम निफ्टी में देखने को मिला। बैंक निफ्टी गुड मोमेंटम, ये ट्रायंगल ब्रेकआउट था, ये मैंने ड्रॉ करके रखा था, आज एक अच्छा सा ब्रेकआउट दिख रहा है। ओनली थिंग वी आर वरीड अबाउट RSI 60। आई होप ये जल्दी RSI 60 को ब्रेक करे तो एक अच्छा खासा मोमेंटम ऊपर के साइड में देखने को मिल सकता है। Guys, for your information, this is the disclaimer. Whatever views shared here are only for education purpose. Please do not take any trade or investment decision. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any, investment decisions. So enjoy, have a good time. आज गोकुल दही हंडी है. There is a much things happening in Mumbai. I hope you will also one day break the dahi handi of the knowledge, of the confidence, of learnings. Thank you guys. Have a good time. Bye bye.